In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Temu account in 2025. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Temu, it's important to go through the proper process to ensure your account is completely removed. Whether it's for privacy concerns, simplifying your digital life, or because you're just not using the app anymore, I'm here to guide you through each step and make this process as smooth as possible. So let's dive right into the action. First off, you'll want to begin by accessing the Temu app on your device. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups along the way. Once you've opened the app, you'll find yourself on the home page where all the magic begins. Next, you'll need to head over to the account security section. This area is pivotal for managing not just deletions, but other security settings related to your account. You should find this option within your settings or your profile menu. On most apps, settings are represented by a small gear icon, so keep an eye out for that and click on it to dive into the account security options. Once you're in the account security section, scroll down through the list of options available to you. You're looking specifically for the delete account option. This might be a little tricky to locate, as it could be nestled among other less radical account modifications, but with a little patience, you'll find it. Having located delete account, you're almost there. Now you just need to click on it. It's possible that the app will ask you for confirmation. These confirmations are a standard procedure to avoid accidental deletions, and this might be presented as a dialog box requesting you to confirm your decision. Take a moment here to ensure this is indeed what you want. Once confirmed, your account will begin the deletion process. Remember, deleting your account often means losing access to all the data and personalization associated with it. This could include past purchases, saved items, and other personal content. So if there's anything you need to back up or save, be sure to do that before completing this step. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully initiated the deletion of your Temu account. Be aware that some apps might take a few days to finalize the process. So if you're still receiving notifications or emails, give it a little time to process fully. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Your personal data is important, and managing it wisely is always a great choice. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video.